Alright, I know you guys are probably getting ticked off of seeing me doing Goodman videos, but this is my last one for right now. I will do other brands soon, but this is going to be the startup of the Goodman 2006 model at my house. Start video, so here we go. In April of 2011, so here we go. Alright, so here's the Goodman. First startup in April of 2010. Now, we've been hearing a lot of messed up comments from Eric Guy 1 a couple of weeks ago. Hang on. He was talking a little bit of smack about Goodman, saying how bad their products were. Well, to me, in my opinion, their products are good except for the Desert Series. I had this Goodman for a long time. I moved back here in 09, and this Goodman is an 06 model. This Goodman has not given us any problems except for 1 year, on July of 2010. I only had to get this thing serviced once, not twice, just once. So this Goodman is really good. I mean, if you're gonna talk shit about Goodman, you're talking shit to the people that own Goodman, dude. I'm just saying, man. I'm not trying to hurt you or anything, man, but this unit that I have here is freaking reliable, man. Really reliable. Exitone owns a Goodman. I own a Goodman. We have a few others that own a Janitrol unit, which we know it's pretty old. But hell, dude, it's amazing, dude. This one's very reliable. It has not had very many problems that could be worse. I mean, hell, dude, this unit is really good, really good. HVAC Kid 93. So please don't talk any more shit about Goodman. I really appreciate that, man. Thank you. I'm just saying, man. HVAC Kid 93 or 94, if I remember it correctly. Sorry if I get these names mixed up. I really do. HVAC Kid 93, 94. Fuck it. All right. So yeah. Alright, guys, yes, Carrier is a good brand, so is Reading Room. Train's getting better a little bit from what I've been hearing about recently. So yes, yeah, Goodman is a great brand too. They're working a whole lot harder. I watched their Dare to Compare tours, dude, and it's really good. So alright, guys, I'll be sure to do more brands like Carrier hopefully soon. So yeah, alright, peace. Sorry if I messed up the names wrong quickly. I hope it's not towards you, Eric Guy 1. I know that, so thank God for that. Not towards you, man. You're awesome, dude. You're freaking awesome. Now, HVAC Kid, I know what you're trying to say about Goodman. If you're still doing that, I'm just saying. But please don't talk smack about Goodman, please. Please, because Goodman's a really good brand, and they work really hard. They're working a whole lot better to sell their products now. So, all right, that's it for me, dude. So, over and out.